What's going on, good people? It's Terrence here with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. You'll love it. We got some great videos, a lot of good stuff always coming. So listen, we're in the fall season, and of course, you know, there's pumpkin this, pumpkin that, pumpkin spice, pumpkin lattes. And so there's a version of something called a pumpkin crunch cake. I'm gonna do a variation of it, but I'm gonna do a little different. I'm gonna do with sweet potatoes. So we're gonna do a sweet potato dump cake, all right? So let's get into it, all right? Listen, I already had some pre-cooked, kind of chopped up sweet potatoes. No sweetener on it, just kind of cut those up, all right? And so they're nice, they're already cooked down. So we're gonna throw those inside our mixer. I also have 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of brown. So a total of a cup for all of them, all right? So first things first, I'm going to mix those together. 3 eggs. So that's mixing down. I have a can of evaporated milk. All right, let's go. Quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. I got a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cardamom. All right. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right. So look, I got my dish here. I'm just gonna pour that mixture. It seems like it's a little runny, but trust me, it's gonna come together. I'm pouring that mixture right on the bottom, okay? Now, dump cake. I got a box of the spice cake mix, all right? So now, we wanna evenly distribute this right over the top, okay? Just like this, okay? All the way over, evenly. Yeah, this is gonna be good. It smells good already. All right, there we go. Last but not least, I have a cup of melted butter. So 2 sticks of butter, okay? And that's gonna go right over the top. I wanna kind of make sure that all that cake mix is on there evenly, all the way across. And then now the goal is to make sure that we come across this evenly all the way across. Try to make sure we get butter in every corner if we can. Try not to leave much untouched, all right? And just like that, that's done. You see that? I don't know, can you see that? So now I'm gonna pop this in the oven, 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, or until it comes out done in the center, all right? So when we come back, let's see what we got. All right, good people. been about 35 minutes. Man, let me see if I can show you that. Look at that, man. Ooh, yeah. So listen, let's get into it. Ooh. Try to get all of that. Let's see what we're working with here. Let's see, I want y'all to see that. Look at that. You know what? This would be good. You add some ice cream to it. It's super hot though. Let's see. That's good. It's a cross between a spice cake and a sweet potato pie. That's really good. Perfect amount of sweetness. It's not too sweet. Believe it or not, it is perfect. You add a scoop of ice cream on top of that, man, you got you a nice little dish. All right? You guys, man, you make this, man, please let me know what you think. Leave me some comments or something. Again, please like and subscribe to our channel, all right? Have a good one.